Penny Rigati, or is it Penne Rigati? Let me just call it pasta. If you're looking for an easy and fast recipe, well, today I am going to be showing you one pot sausage and pasta recipe. This comes together in a matter of 20 to 30 minutes, making it perfect for your lunch or dinner. So I'm going to get started by adding some cooking oil to a pan over medium heat. Once the cooking oil is ready, I'm going to add in some onions. Stir in. To add some very nice flavor to my pasta, I'm going to be adding in some crushed garlic. This is 3 cloves of garlic. Stir in the garlic. As the onions and garlic are cooking, I'm going to be adding in my sausages. So I'm going to remove the casing of the sausages. Once done, I'm going to break down the sausages using my spatula. I'm not going to be fully breaking down the sausages because I want some texture in my pasta. So I'm going to leave in some bits of large sausages. Cook the sausages for around 1 minute. So to my pan, I'm going to be adding in some very flavorful spices and good tons of spices. So I have some chili flakes. If you don't like some heat in your food, you can skip on the chili. So I have a 1/4 teaspoon of chili, some oregano, black pepper and thyme. So I'm going to add in the spices. Just look at my sausage. It's looking very nice and delicious. Toss the spices for about 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to be adding in 3 crushed tomatoes. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir in the tomatoes and tomato paste and let this cook for around 1 minute or until the tomatoes are cooked through. To season my tomatoes, I'm going to add in some salt. Stir in the salt. This is how my tomatoes and sausage are looking at this point. Just look at that. This looks very delicious. Once the tomatoes are cooked through and looking very delicious, I'm going to be adding in 2 cups of chicken stock. Stir in. Next, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of pasta. You can see the reason I didn't fully break down my sausages. I have some texture in my pasta. So I'm going to reduce the flames to low, and then I'm going to simmer for around 10 minutes or until the pasta is fully cooked. While the pasta is cooking, you can check if the seasoning is perfect. If it's not perfect, you can perfect by adding some more salt so that the pasta can be very delicious at the end of the cooking. This is how my pasta is looking after 10 minutes, and it's very well cooked and the sauce has fully reduced, leaving a very nice sauce for my pasta. And to check if the pasta is ready, I'm going to have a bite. So the pasta shouldn't feel hard when you bite into the pasta. It should be cooked but not overcooked. So I'm going to turn off the heat, sprinkle in with some coriander to garnish. Stir in the coriander into the pasta, and this smells amazing, you guys. My pasta is well cooked, and I love that the chili has added some spiciness to my dish. So I hope you'll be substituting your normal spaghetti with this Penny Rigati pasta, making an awesome one-pot dish just as mine. So thank you so much for watching, and catch you on my next video.